안녕하세요. Hi guys, I'm Henny from Korean with Henny who will help you learn Korean step by step. Alright, today in this video, we're gonna learn how to make a syllable. Yay! Now, after watching this video, you can actually read and write so many Hangul letters. Are you excited? Alright, let's get started! Alright, so what is a syllable? Syllable is a combination of consonant and a vowel. So there comes rule number 1. Just like other languages, in Korean syllable, there should be at least one consonant and a vowel. So it should be a consonant and a vowel form, or consonant, vowel, consonant form. Rule number 2. This is quite unique system in Hangul. Alright, so when we write a consonant and a vowel, we don't write them from left to right, like English. Instead, we put them in a rectangular shape, right? Like this. So, how do we position this consonant and a vowel? It actually depends on the vowel. Alright, so you remember our 10 basic vowels. 아야, 어야, 오유, 우유, 이. Good. Now, you know these guys, you know, they contain a human. The human is looking like this. It's standing, right? Also this. These vowels are in the standing position. And look at this. These vowels contains earth, like flat. It's a line. So these are line vowels, okay? So standing vowels and line vowels. If the vowels are standing, then we should position them on the right side. A consonant and a vowel. Alright? And if a vowel is lying, then we should position them on the bottom. Okay? Consonant and a vowel. So let me give you an example. So consonant and a vowel. Okay? And a consonant and a vowel. Like this. Okay, on the right side or on the bottom. And if there's extra consonant, like consonant, vowel, and consonant, how do we position them? We always put it on the bottom, very bottom. Like this. Like this. Okay, so a last consonant goes here. Okay, last consonant goes here. This is the basic concept of how we form a syllable. We can see that this is the first consonant and a vowel and a last consonant. First consonant, vowel, and a last consonant. Okay? Do you remember the 14 basic consonants? 가, 카, 나다, 타, 마바, 파, 사다, 차, 아하, 라. And we're gonna make a combination of these two, okay? These two, you know? Well, actually this is the A sound, right? Remember? And this is actually 그, not 카. 그, 아, 카. Okay? 그, 아, 카. 나, 다. Another example, let's look at the line vowel here. And this one combined is 그 and 오, 그, 오, 고, 고. 그 and 오, 코.
그 and no. Yeah, it goes like this.
Got it? It's super easy. Super easy. Okay, the first word is this. Can you read this? 흐 and 아. 하, 르 and 우. 루. 하루. It means one day in Korean. Right, good. And next one. Can you read this word? K, 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 and Ko, p and e, p, coffee, coffee. Can you guess? Yes, it means coffee in Korean. We don't have F sound, so we just say coffee, coffee. Oh. Yeah, can you read this one? P, pa, na, banana, banana. It means bananas, alright? It's so easy. I just, And the fourth one. Ooh. Okay, can you read this word? Okay, this one doesn't have a sound, right? So you just read aloud the sound of a vowel. Uyu, uyu, uyu. It means milk in Korean. Good job! Good job, good job. Now we're gonna look at consonant, vowel, and consonant form. Okay, what is this? Na. This was the first consonant, and this was a vowel. Okay, na. And where should we put the last consonant? In here? Here? No, on the very bottom. Here. Alright, so I'm gonna write another neon here. How do we read this? Nan. Got it? Easy. What about this? Can you read this? So. Alright? And the last consonant comes on the very bottom. Som. And I'm gonna make another video just for the last consonant because it's very unique. Alright, quiz time. Can you read these 4 words? And can you guess the meaning? Please write in the comment below. Alright, so this is all for today's lesson. And remember, practice makes perfect. So you have to repeat and repeat for yourself. Now, see you next time. 안녕!